Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I am Lutfi Aryawardana, the presenter. My research entitled Development of Nationalistic Insight-Oriented Interactive Multimedia in 6th Grade Namira Elementary School, Probolinggo. This article is present in the International Conference on Demographic and Civil on 11 Maret University. I am the first author of the research. I collaborate with Ahmad Isyuddin and Rofika Nurianti. I am lecturer from Pancamarga University. The background. The background of the article, I come from the problem. The problem is that there is no interactive media that accommodate content about nationalistic insight. This learning media nowadays tend focus on cognitive and affective about nationalistic insight. Students have been familiar with the use of information technology for learning. Student learning outcome do not meet the minimum standard and the student lack of interest in learning. The goal the goal of this article to produce a valid, practical, and effective interactive multimedia oriented toward nationalistic insight for the sixth grade student of Namira Elementary School, Probolinggo. Urgency. The urgency are present interactive multimedia learning media as the use of ICT-based media, providing student awareness to use technology according to the needs of student based on nationalistic insight. Strengthening student collaboration power with the content of nationalistic insight present. Okay, the next methodology. Methodology. Object of this article is study of secret in Namira's Elementary School, Probolinggo. The research and development procedure both angle consists of one preliminary research, two planning, third product development, four testing from the expert. Five revising of validation result, six pilot test, seven final product refinement as well as eight final product. The trial design in this development was test through two sessions, finding expert validation session and file trial. Validation was tried by two validator experts. They are technology and material expert. After that, it is trying to be improved. Finally, the result of the improvement are a field test on teacher and sixth grade student of Namira Elementary School, Probolinggo. The first step in this research in the implementation of preliminary research. The activities that were tried were participant analysis, technology analysis, media analysis, and researching for problem. These activities trace to make early data collection and early capital to do research. After after the primary research, the agreement of the research implementation plan. Planning examining information obtained from preliminary research carries out an analysis of the development of interactive multimedia media oriented to nationality insight become schedule making teamwork media specification, content, and configuration control. This planning activity is to make research systematic and procedural. In product development, researcher begins to improve product that must be developed and develop a framework for its team member. Make specification guidelines, make design, carry out discussion on selection step and education media step. The product trial carry out include validation tests from media design and materials expert and field trial. Expert validation is carried out use a validated instrument that has been prepared. This is done to find out the product that have been compiled and developed theoretical. The experimental subject for the development of this research product are media design expert, material expert, teacher, and secret student the Namira School, Probolinggo Elementary School. The type of information obtained this research is in the form quantitative and qualitative information. Quantitative information is the sum of the value of the questionnaire test, validation of the media or content, as well as media expert. The result of the teacher's questionnaire and the following qualitative student questionnaires. Information were obtained from explanation about media or content validators, assumptions of teacher and student. The data analysis used in the research development, the description qualitative analysis, and descriptive quantitative. Qualitative data analysis is used to process data from expert and user. Meanwhile, quantitative data analysis was carried out on questionnaire and test score. This data analysis is to determine the level of achievement based on questionnaire and test score. The data analysis into determine the level achievement based on predetermined criteria. Information collected in the study in divided into two. The initial collection of information on preliminary data collection and collection on research development. Create a preliminary information gathering instrument in the form of the teacher and classic student questionnaire and teacher interview guide. Okay, the next research and discussion. Research in discussion result in and discussion validity test. The result from material expert. The result is validity means 91.15%. The result of learning media expert valid without any revision. Practice test. Practice test result so good without revision. Effectiveness test. This test is taken from the student outcome. From 42 students, 38 students pass minimum complete criteria. The rest is below the minimum complete criteria. Okay, the next for the discussion. Okay, discussion one one the image interactive multimedia to is the operation. This in this is in line with Veronica Subekti and Salsa that the image on the interactive multimedia in question are pictures of nationalistic insight that strengthen student nationalism. Two, the design on the interactive multimedia, and this is line with Churchill et al. Student learning outcomes can be increased because students are enthusiastic in accept the learning process. Third, third, the manual for the use of interactive multimedia oriented to nationalism. This is matched with Ruliansa and Solihati that this manual contain the step of the use of interactive multimedia. 4. The storyboard is a division or storyline of interactive multimedia oriented to nationalistic insight. This is in line with Anggraini, Ambarika, and Rai. That storyboard is equipped with material for multimedia interactive. So, before using the interactive multimedia oriented to nationalism, the teacher first understand the content of the storyboard as initial guide for the use interactive multimedia. Okay, the next conclusion. Conclusion based on the result of the validator from the aspect of validity, practicality, effectiveness of interactive multimedia oriented to nationalism. It meet the valid without revision and practical without revision aspect. The result of the validation of teacher and student from aspect of practically and effective meet the practical and effective aspect. It was concluded that interactive multimedia oriented to nationalism were appropriate to be used as a solution in learning, so that it had a positive impact on the cognitive development and motivation of sixth grade student of Namira School Probolinggo. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.